Jiufen is a picturesque mountain town in the Rufang district of New Taipei City, Taiwan, famous for its narrow cobbled alleys, sweeping ocean views, and iconic red lanterns. According to local legend, Jiufen was originally an isolated hillside village, home to just 9 families. Whenever shipments of supplies arrived from the lowlands, they always requested 9 portions, Jiufen in Chinese. The unusual name stuck, remaining long after the quiet village transformed into a bustling commercial hub. Jiufen's transformation from a sleepy village to a massive tourist destination happened in distinct waves. The gold rush begins, 1890 to 1893. Gold dust was first discovered in the nearby Keelong River in 1890, but a major gold deposit was found in 1893. This sparked a massive gold rush, bringing thousands of prospectors to the mountain. The gold capital of Asia, 1895 to 1945. During the Japanese colonial period, large-scale excavation and modern mining technology were introduced. Jiufen became incredibly prosperous, earning the nickname the Gold Capital of Asia. Much of the town's Japanese-influenced architecture was built during this era. After World War II, the gold mines eventually ran dry. The mining industry declined, and the once booming town slowly fell into silence and disrepair for several decades. In 1989, the town experienced a massive revival when renowned Taiwanese director Ho Xiaoshen filmed A City of Sadness there. The movie won the Golden Lion at the Venice Film Festival, putting Jiufen's melancholic charm on the map and transforming it into a thriving tourist destination. The Spirited Away connection. Today, Jiufen is deeply associated with Hayao Miyazaki's Academy Award-winning anime film, Spirited Away. The town's steep, lantern-lit stairs and the stunning A-Mei Tea House, a century-old institution occupying a repurposed blacksmith shop, bear a striking resemblance to the grand spirit bathhouse in the movie. While director Hayao Miyazaki has historically denied that Jiufen was a direct inspiration for the film, the aesthetic similarities draw thousands of fans, especially from Japan, who come to experience the magical atmosphere in real life. Quick facts. Tea culture? Jiufen is renowned for its traditional tea houses perched on the cliffside, offering high mountain Taiwanese tea paired with panoramic views of the East China Sea. Street food hub? Jiufen Street is the culinary heart of the town. It is famous for local delicacies like chewy taro balls, herbal rice cakes, fish balls in broth, and peanut ice cream rolls. Qipao rentals? A popular activity for visitors is renting a traditional qipao, jiangsam, to wear while exploring the nostalgic streets and taking photographs. Today, we experienced Jiufen's busy old street, filled with tourists. Thanks for watching, and see you later.
Ay, kuha na lang.